Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Riya Study Circle. It is a requested video from my viewers, so let's start the video. Today I am going to explain about 8th class maths chapter number 11 algebraic expressions, that multiplying a binomial or trinomial by a monomial. In exercise 11.1 we learnt how to multiply a monomial by another monomial. So here we are going to learn about. Now I am going to explain about multiplying a binomial or trinomial by a monomial. For a monomial I am taking 5x and binomial I am taking 6y plus 3. If an expression has only one term, it is monomial. If an expression have two terms, it is binomial. So here 5x is the monomial, 6y plus 3 is the binomial. So let's see how to multiply these two terms. Solution for this problem is, first step is write these two terms as a product. That means 5x into 6y plus 3. Here we are using multiplication symbol between these two. Next, second step is using distributive law. Distributive law means here we have 5x into 6y plus 3 kada. We have to multiply a monomial with first term of binomial. That means 5x into 6y, and next we have to multiply a monomial with second term of a binomial. That means 5x into 3. Then add these two products. So it is distributive law. Next, the third step is simplification. That means we have to simplify these products. Here 5 6 is 30, x into y is xy, plus 5 3 is 15 into x. 30xy plus 15x is the solution for this problem. So by this way we have to solve these type of problems. So let's see another example. Let's take a monomial as minus 4xy and binomial as 2x minus y. By following these steps we have to solve this problem also. Solution for this problem is, first we have to use multiplication symbol, minus 4xy into 2x minus y. Then we are using distributive law. By using distributive law we get minus 4xy into 2x. We have to multiply first term of binomial, then we have to multiply second term of binomial. So minus 4xy into 2x plus minus 4xy into minus y. We have to add these two products. Here plus into minus is minus, 4 2s are 8, x into x is x square into y, plus here minus into minus plus 4x, y into y is y square. So the final solution for this problem is minus 8x square y plus 4xy square. Next we are going to learn about how to multiply a trinomial by monomial. Let's take an example. Take an example for monomial is 2x and trinomial is 3x plus 4y minus 6. So here 2x is the monomial and 3x plus 4y minus 6 is the trinomial, because here we have 3 terms. Same procedure we have to use for this also. First step is we have to write the product of these two by using multiplication symbol. Second step is using distributive law. That means 2x into 3x plus 2x into 4y. We have to multiply first term with first term of trinomial, monomial with the second term of trinomial, and monomial with the third term of trinomial. So 2x into 4y plus 2x into minus 6, and we have to add their products. So next step is simplify. That means 3 to the 6, x into x is x square plus 2 4 the 8, x into y is xy, 2 6 the 12 into x. So the last step for this problem is 6x square plus 8xy plus into minus is minus 12x. So here 6x square plus 8xy minus 12x is the solution for this problem. So like this we can multiply monomial with the binomial and trinomial. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any doubts, then comment below. I will definitely explain in my next videos. If you want these videos in Telugu, then please comment below. I will definitely explain in Telugu also. ఒకవేళ మీకు ఈ వీడియోస్ తెలుగులో కావాలనుకుంటే దయచేసి కామెంట్ చేయండి. నేను ఈ వీడియోస్ని తెలుగులో కూడా అప్లోడ్ చేస్తాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్. ప్లీజ్ సపోర్ట్ మీ by like, share and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get my latest updated videos when I post.